Somebody please help.
Right, this is Turning the Eggs 101.
What does 101 mean?
Oh, it means a lesson on turning eggs. So you've got turning the zeros to the x's a couple of times a day by my able-bodied, vertically challenged assistant here.
We've got 6.
Yeah. Well
3
done.
and 3 eggs.
Well done.
I think you might have to put some more water in there. The water's getting pretty warm.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Right. What's the temperature?
Do you mean what does the temperature have to be or not?
No, what does the temperature say?
It's...
Almost 100 degrees, is it?
yeah.
Well done. Just perfect. Right. And that's how you turn the eggs. Shut the lid, eh?
Yeah.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
I want to see the video.
Okay.